guys, it's Melissa from 3milelaneco, and today is just a total studio vlog. I'm just gonna share a day in the life with you today. So I'm on live chat right now with my marketing consultant, Eric. Say hello. We're history in the making right now. This is insane. I am about to launch my very first ever class, and I'm low-key freaking out about it. So Eric is here to calm me down, and we're right about to send out the newsletter. I'm like shaking because I just can't even, and this is such a big step for me. But I did an Instagram story earlier, so if you don't follow me over there, make sure you do, because you'll catch all of these updates live in real time. I posted and I said that like I'm kind of freaking out and I'm a little bit nervous, but I keep going back and reminding myself of that sticker that I created when I first started, fear doesn't pay the bills. And I am really trying to capture that vibe and just hold on to it right now, because even though this is scary, it is a huge step in the right direction for my business, and it's the beginning to a whole new path, and I'm so excited about it. So I wanted to share it with you guys. All right, so, yeah? No, go ahead. That's part of it.
There's no tab for classes on your menu bar.
I have not added it yet because I want newsletter people to get first dibs.
Perfect.
And then, yeah, that's perfect, because I need this. I need it. I need all the help I can get. So as soon as the newsletter goes out this evening, I'm gonna give it 12 hours or so whenever I wake up tomorrow, and then I'm going to post it live on my website and also go live on Instagram and TikTok tomorrow morning to promote. And at that point, I'll put it live on my menu on my website. We're getting really close. So I'm getting ready to like push the send button right now. Here we go. Turn you around. Oh, I'm so nervous. I'm so nervous. Okay, so here's my little preview. I'm using MailChimp and send. I'm about to send it to 210 subscribers right now. Send. Oh, I just hit the button. Oh, it's so nauseous. And it's out there. Oh, no. Oh, it's official. Here it is. Oh my gosh. I'm so excited. Oh, I hope everything works. I hope there's no snafus. Ah. Good morning. It is the next day. And not gonna lie, feeling a little defeated this morning. I wasn't necessarily expecting a rush on my classes, but I was kind of hoping that there would be something. And so far, I haven't really gotten much interest. And that's fine, but I also haven't gotten a lot of feedback. And I think having some kind of feedback is better than having crickets. That's just part of it. That's part of launching a new thing and getting out of your comfort zone and trying different products and services. I don't know if it's too expensive. I don't know if it's too structured, not structured enough. If people don't trust me enough to help them learn. I mean, there's so many different thoughts going through my head right now. I did a TikTok live earlier. So I sent out the newsletter last night, and then I did a TikTok live earlier this morning, and I'm about to post a video on TikTok as well. And then I'm gonna go live on Instagram a little bit later to see if I can get any other interest in the class. And I know it's a lot of money right now for a small business to put out, especially on short notice, because my timeline for this probably wasn't the best. And I will have to push it out if nobody signs up. Obviously, I'll push it out. But I was really hoping that I could get it going soon, because my husband and I are kind of struggling. And I was hoping that I could help others while still helping myself. And it just doesn't look like it's gonna happen. May need to reevaluate some things and figure it out. But that's part of owning a small business. You're gonna have ups and you're gonna have a lot of downs before you make any traction. So I'm gonna try really hard not to let this get to me, but it is kind of getting to me. So I'm about to go live on Instagram. I still haven't received any orders for class or coaching, which is fine. I mean, it's not gonna happen overnight. It's a process, so I get it. But I'm gonna go live over on Instagram and see if I can get any interest over there. Hey guys, it's Melissa. How are you doing today? I am working in the studio today and I need to print out a couple of stickers. So I was finally able to get my printer cleaned and the print heads aligned and all of that good stuff. So I should be good to go. I'm gonna go jump over into Design Space and I'm going to make my stickers. So I just thought you might wanna come along with me as I do that. Hi everybody, hi Sabrina, hi Nika. I had a little bite to eat and I've got some drinks over here, so I am ready to go.
I didn't look success, but it might be time to do drinks with Melissa tonight.
I think for sure. Definitely gonna get my beer on tonight.
Okay, well let me know if there's anything else.
Okay.
If you need to rent more or if you see something else that I didn't catch or that people are saying, text it to me or take a screenshot of it and I'll analyze everything. I'll go back in and read the whole comments and all that.
All right,
Okay.
sounds good.
Bye.
Thank you.
Have a good day.
Bye. All right, so I just got off the phone with my marketer and he sees it as a success, which I'm very thankful for, and I needed to hear that. He's a numbers guy. So he looked at the analytics and the numbers and how many people visited and checked the course out and even added it to their cart. See it as, well, I don't see it, I feel it. I feel like it's unattainable for people, even though I see the value in it. It's just hard to process because I thought I had so many people really interested in it. And I know that it's more expensive than people probably can afford right now. I get it. It's worth it. I'm a really good teacher. I've grown this audience by teaching, and so I think that says something. But now it's time that I need to figure out how to get paid for my teaching. But unfortunately, people just don't see the value in it. And I did an Instagram live where I was just making some stickers. I was just hanging out. I wasn't really pushing any products or anything. I was just using Procreate, and I had a follower ask me if I was going to post it onto IGTV once the live ended. And I said, no, probably not. I do have a Procreate course coming up, so you can check that out when it drops. And I was told that they couldn't afford it and that they would just screen record my live next time. And that was deflating because I understand that they can't afford it, but they're taking value away from what I'm doing, and they're taking value away from other people because that's making me rethink my entire process of going live and sharing some things, because I can't afford to do that anymore. Like literally, I have not paid myself in 8 months. I have not made a single dime in my own pocket out of my business. I'm still trying to get there and find the products that are going to get me there. So it's just, it is what it is. So I told my marketer I'm going to take the weekend, and I gave people a deadline of signing up for the class by Sunday because I need to get the course materials out, because I'm mailing a physical kit as well as a digital kit. So I'm gonna take the weekend to keep designing and keep going with the class so that I have it all ready, because I will try and do a course version of it that people can do on their own time, and it'll be a little bit different and a little bit less expensive than an actual class where I'm present live. So I need to have that all done anyway, but I'm gonna take the weekend to do that and also just kind of reset and reflect. And then on Sunday evening, we'll go from there. We'll see if anybody did sign up, and we'll see if anybody didn't. And if they didn't, then I'll go a different direction. It hasn't been easy starting a small business and not having a guarantee of income. I quit my job of 2.5 years and I saw an opportunity to try to start a business. It's hard because you don't know what's going to happen. You don't have a guarantee of a paycheck. You don't know if you're going to be able to pay your next bill. Especially when you have another person that's been bringing in money that's allowing you to try, but then they get let go. It's been really difficult trying to balance mental health with a new business and being a mom and a wife and trying to make it. Ever since I was a kid, I can remember just wanting to have my own business and how cool it would be to have my own shop. I would wrap things up from around my house and I would pretend to sell them and make money. I would take people's orders and I would give them a product, or usually it was a hamburger that was from my play kitchen in return. And I was obsessed with cash registers as a kid. To be in the position I'm in now where I have that opportunity in front of me and I do have a small business, but to feel like it's failing already is hard to take in. I launched a class today and technically it was last night to my newsletter, and then I went on social media and went live this morning and mentioned it. And I had a lot of interest. I had a lot of traffic, which is, my marketer keeps telling me it's great, it's great. But I can't help feeling like it's not good enough because I haven't seen immediate results. And I know that that's asking a lot. And I'm probably not there yet. But I do sometimes just wish for the day that I see so many other people, and I try hard not to compare myself with other businesses because I am original, I'm unique, I have specific things that I can offer, but it's hard not to sometimes. And when I see other people doing launches and being successful and selling out in minutes, I know that they've worked so hard to get to where they are, and they've been doing it a long time. Most of them. I just kind of get discouraged when I launch something. Maybe I didn't build up the hype enough. Maybe it's too expensive. Maybe I'm offering too much. Maybe it's too much information to digest. I mean, I start doubting it, and a million things go through my head, and I'm just like, well, is this it? Am I done? Like, do I have to go and try and find another job? Do I have to DoorDash? Do I need to freelance? I mean, how am I gonna pay my car payment next month? How am I gonna pay off the investment that I've put into my business up to this point? And it's not an easy reality. It's not an easy pill to swallow. So I'm gonna give myself the weekend and try and process the information. It's just the first day. I keep trying to tell myself that. It's just the first day. It will be better. It will be okay. So I decided to put this next clip in with this vlog because I wanted to show you guys that there are hard times, but there are also happy times in business. So just because you launch a product and it doesn't go the way that you think it will, it doesn't mean that you have to give up right then. I mean, you're gonna come across trial and error. You're gonna have some items that you're really passionate about and that you love and you think other people will love. And when they don't love them as much as you hoped, it's not the end of the world. It's just something that helps you to learn more about yourself and your business and your customers. So just because that didn't work out, I felt like giving up on Friday when I launched my courses. I felt or my classes. I felt like I wanted to just not be on social media at all that weekend and just be done. But I decided that that's not how I wanted to end it. I didn't want to leave myself feeling that way, and I didn't want to disappoint my customers and my audience. So I put my big girl pants on and I did a live video on TikTok, and that was amazing. I hung out with my peeps. I got back down to my roots of where I started when I started this whole journey, and I just had a lot of fun with it. And it ended up being a huge success that night, not just for hanging out with my favorite people, but also my husband and I did a lot of orders that night, and that really helped. Yeah, you have to keep going. You cannot stop. I mean, you need to let yourself feel what you're feeling, but just remember that it's not the end. That's not where your story ends. You still have so much further to go. And I just wanted to make sure that I put a little bit of happy into this video. So that's why I'm gonna show you the next clip, which is me designing a happy little accident. And it was just fitting because I'm titling this, It's Not All Rainbows, but the cup has rainbows on it. So I just wanted to share that with you guys. Don't give up. You can do this. You can make it happen. You just need to believe in yourself and keep going. Random buttons and I don't even know. Let's go beyond. Who am I? So, welcome back to the studio vlog. Welcome back to the studio. It is crazy today. I have a few orders to do. I have a few custom orders to do. I have some stickers to print, so I need to get going today. But I wanted to share with you this beautiful cup right here. This was actually an accident. This is a custom design I made for one of my customers, and she ordered it for a beverage tumbler, or one of the stemless wine tumblers that I carry in my shop. But I accidentally cut out, I was practicing the design and I cut it out too large, so I decided to put it on one of my new pink matte cups. And she actually liked it so much better, she wanted to swap it out. So she's getting this cup instead of the wine tumbler, and I'm working on getting inventory all photographed for the shop today. And I got those pink cups, I also got coral, and I got some sea foam. Oh, this color is gorgeous. So I need to print out or cut out a few designs for those. But I also got, and I'm so excited about these because I designed my first ever notepads. I am so excited about these. So I'm getting the packaging all ready to go. And then I need to take some photos of those and list those as well. So, busy day today. Oh, I need to plug in my iPad, make sure it has a charge. So I'm gonna take pictures of those. I'm cutting out sticker sheets on the Cricut right now. Ooh, that just got real dark. So I have my coffee time sticker sheets right here. Somebody ordered some of those. Tennyson Jewelry had a sale, so we got all of his packages ready to go. And I do have a couple of review crew things to take care of. So I'm going to finish my coffee. I'm going to keep trucking on these orders, get some more product photos taken, and update my website with those. And then I have a meeting later today with my marketing consultant. So, so many fun things, and I can't wait to get more designs up on these cups and get them listed. So, that's what I'm gonna be working on today.